This is a Hummingbird Lane property, just a little bit over an acre here. That house is not part of the property. The property starts about the pole line down there. And that house is on the two adjacent lots. Coming around the property. And the house and the fence that you see now is on the next property over. Here's the access road. We'll go down and take a look at the river now. So this is a property on Hummingbird Lane. Hummingbird Drive.